Very good, children. Group of 10. Kevin, group of 10 and 1 separately, not together. 1 should be separate, children, not together inside the circle. Inside the circle is group of 10. Group of 10 means only 10 will be there inside that group. Excess of 10 will not be there. Only 10 and 1 will be separate.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Very good, Kevin. Yeah, very good. Now you change the number, children. Now we are going to change the number to 1 to 12. Just you erase 1 and write 12 here. Okay, now group of 10, let it be as it is. 11, and for 12 you are going to add one more circle. Understood? Good morning, Ma Pranavi and Pravina.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, Ma.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Pravina. Very good, Ma Nimalan. Then for 13, what you will do? You will change the number here to 13. We'll change the number here to 13. 13 and then 10, 11, 12, 13. You draw another circle and strike out. 13. Just change one number here. 3. Only 3 you are going to change. And this group of 10, let it be. Up there, go to group of 10, 11, 12, 13.
Ma'am.
Yeah, 13 finish. Next is 14. Now you know how to change, right? 14. You will change only 4 here. Erase 3 and write 4. Write 4. And then you have already 13. 3 circles here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 you draw another one circle and strike out. Very good, Mailango. Yeah, good. Kadambari, good. Yeah, very good, ma. And next is 15. Here is the number 1, 5, 15. Now we are going to add one more circle here. 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, very good, Mahipta, good. Yeah. Shavanya, finish. 15. 10 separately and 5 separately. Good, ma, Kevin. Is Kevin counting himself and drawing, or you are guiding him, Kevin's mom?
No, ma'am, he is doing.
He himself is doing, ah?
Yeah, ma'am, he only did.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Good. Good, ma, Kevin. Very good. Very good, Shavanya. Sara, good. Ikta, finish?
Ma'am, I finished it.
Pinkle, okay, good.
Ma'am?
Yeah, good, ma. Very good. Yes, Srinija. Very good. Srinija, but there are 16 circles, Srinija. What number you have written?
16 only, ma'am.
16 only. Wait a minute. 6, okay. Good.
Good night.
Very good, children. All of you have done? Good. Well done. Very good. Ilango, finish? Yes, good. Yeah, very good. Come on, keep your slate down. Keep your slate down. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands, close your eyes. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique.
You are unique.
My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, very good morning, children. Good morning. Don't, yeah, good morning. Don't sit down. Stand up for the warm up activity. Yeah, good morning, ma. Good morning, everyone. Stand up for the warm up activity. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. Run, all of you, run, run, run. Run, all of you, run. Run, run, run. Is all of you drink one glass of water and come back for attendance? Adya. Very good, Adya. Next. Ilango.
Sorry, ma'am.
Ma'am, here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Next. Nakshatra. Next. Very good, Nitish. Next.
Yeah. Here I am.
Here I am.
Very good, Kevin. Next.
Here I am, Lila, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Riyasri. Next.
Here I am, Lila, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Masara. Next. Pranavi. Ravina. Ravina. Okay. Next.
Here I'm Lila, ma'am.
Very good, Srinija. Next. Who's this? Tilakar. Tilakar. Not present. Huh? Okay, next. Others, please mute yourself. Yukta.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Yukta. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Kadambari.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kadambari. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Next. Mokshita. Very good, Mokshita. Next. O- okay, ma. Next. Very good, Nimalan. Next. Very good, ma. Nakshatra joined, ah? Nakshatra. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Thank you. Okay, except Tilakar, everyone is present. Ah, okay, good. Okay, now all of you stand up, children. Let's rote count. Let's finish rote counting. Stand up. I'm going to count and you are going to jump. Okay? Stand up, all of you. Stand up, stand up. No sleeping. Nobody should yawn. Stand up. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump, all of you. 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, 1, 5, 15, 1, 6, 16, 1, 7, 17, 1, 8, 18, 1, 9, 19, 2, 0, 20. Very good. Now we are going to play color, what color? Okay? Ready, all of you?
Which color?
Yeah, color, what color do you choose? Red. Come on, run and bring red object. Red. Dress or Srinija? Okay, good. Red. Red color box, red color dress, red color bag. Very smart. Bag, school bag. Ah. Okay, red color. Good. Well done. Okay, next color. Color, what color do you choose? Blue. Yeah, very good. Yeah, I saw my every color is there. Very good.
Blue color one.
Blue.
Blue
Where
color
is
bottle.
blue? Very good. Blue color pencil, blue color pouch. Good. Blue. Very good. Blue color specs, blue color dress. Good. Very good. Ball, very good. Car. Blue color teddy. Very good. Well done. Next is color, what color do you choose? Green. 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 Green in the workbook. Okay, good. Bottle. Sketch pen. Okay. Good. Very good. Toys. Good. Very good. Bottle cap. Very good. Good. Very good. Now color. What color do you choose? It's going to be black. Black.
Black balloon. Balloon.
Black. Black pouch, black color slate. Everyone showing slate. Our children very smart. You have become. Slate. See, maximum all of you. Black balloon. Very good, Shravanya. Everyone is showing slate. Very naughty children. Black color car. Very good. Slate. Hair. Very good. Kadambari is showing hair. Very good. Okay. Now all of you sit down. Sit down. Sit. Very good, all of you. Sit down. Okay, yesterday I taught you one concept. What was that? I taught you about family members. Yes or no? Who are all there in that family? Whom did you see in that family? Anyone? Grandpa? Mummy? Okay, daddy? Grandmother? Grandmother? Okay. So mute your, 1 minute mute yourself. Okay, 1 minute mute yourself. Yeah, very good. Mute yourself. Yes, Ilango, come on, answer. Whom did you see in yesterday's family? Whom did you see? Grandfather? Hmm.
Grandfather.
Hmm.
Grandma.
Next.
Grandpa.
Hmm. Whom did you see next?
Mommy.
Mummy. Okay. Hmm. And then? Baby. Okay. That's it. You remember? Okay, children. Thank you, Ilango. Yesterday in the family we saw. Just mute yourself, Ilango. Yesterday in the family members we saw father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, and a baby. Yes or no? So 7 members we saw. Yes, Kadambari. Whom we saw yesterday? Father. Kadambari.
Father. Mother.
Next. Mother.
Grandma.
Grandma.
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Brother.
Brother. Up to next. Sister.
Sister.
And a
Baby.
small baby. Very
Baby.
good. So these are the family members we saw yesterday. Okay. Today we are going to see a new concept, that is community helpers. Okay, we are going to see community helpers. So who are the community helpers? Community are the helpers who live in the community to function our life in a better way. Okay, for example, if we need something, we need groceries, we need milk, all these things we need, no? So where we'll go? Where we'll go? You need snacks to eat, you need dress to wear. You need to go to a shop, right? So in that shop also a person will be there. That person is called a shopkeeper. He is also a community helper. So without all those things, if you are sick, if you are getting fever, cold and cough and all, where you'll go? You'll go to a you'll go to a doctor. Yes. If hospital is not there, where you'll go? You can't go anywhere and get treatment, right? So who will work in a hospital? Doctors and nurses will work in a hospital. So they are also community helpers. Okay. So like this we are going to see community helpers today. So first is, can you see the screen, children? Screen is visible, huh?
Now it's visible.
Yeah. Yeah, first who's this, children? Anybody knows who's there? Doctor, and you can see a lady here. Who's that? Nurse? Yeah. Very good, children. doctor, nurse, and they work in a hospital. This is the hospital, and the vehicle they use is, what vehicle they use? What vehicle the hospital people use? Ambulance. Very good. You can hear the ambulance sound, right? If anybody, yeah, if anybody is very serious, the ambulance will go with the sound, right? Yeah, very good. Good. That is the ambulance sound. Okay. So next we are going to see is, who's this? Anyone knows? Yeah. Fireman. Okay. Firefighter. Firefighter, and he works in a fire station. And what is the vehicle they are using? Fire engine. Okay, now ma'am is going to ask you a question. Just mute yourself. Ma'am is going to ask you a question. When will you call the fireman? When will you call the fire station? எப்ப கூப்பிடுவோம் ஃபயர் ஃபைட்டரை? When will we call? Yeah, when we get fire, when somewhere. Yeah. Good. And somewhere it catches fire, we call the fire station, and the fireman comes there and puts out the fire. Okay, very good. And the vehicle what he uses is fire engine. Okay. And next here you can see, this is a carpenter. See what he is doing. Can you see what he is doing? Yeah, carpenter. He is working with the wood. So you all have bed, door, windows, chair, table. All these things are made out of wood. So who will make all those things? யார் பண்ணுவாங்க அந்த பெட் சேர் எல்லாம்? Who will make? Carpenter only will make. Okay. So this is a carpenter. Yeah, he deals with wood materials. Okay. And next, can you see here? One is the painter. He is painting the wall. And next is the barber. What the barber is doing? Yeah, what the barber is doing? He is cutting hair. Very good. He is cutting hair. And what the barber is using? He is using a scissor and comb. Okay. And what the painter is using? He is using a paint brush. Okay. He is using a paint brush to paint the wall. So painter and barber. Which is the painter? Touch the painter. Which is the painter? Touch in your screen. Yeah. Now next, barber. Who is barber? Very good, barber. Okay. Next we'll move on to the next picture. It is plumber. Okay. For what we'll call the plumber? When you are opening the tap and there is no water, when the tap is repaired, and if there is some issues with the pipeline and all, we'll call the plumber. Okay, he is a plumber. See what he is having in his hand? He is having a wrench. This is the wrench which he uses to repair the pipes and all. Okay, plumber. And next, who's this? Policeman. Very good. He's a policeman. What the policeman will do? What policeman will do? Yeah, he will catch the thief. Very good. Policeman which will catch the thief, because thief are very bad people, right? Okay. And the vehicle he uses is the jeep. Okay. Police station. He works in a police station, and the vehicle he uses is a jeep. Police jeep. Next, who's this? Yeah, traffic. Yeah, traffic police. He works in the middle of the road or near the traffic signal. Okay. Without the traffic signal and the traffic police, we cannot go smoothly everywhere. Okay. You'll get lot of traffic jam. And where is the traffic signal? Point out the traffic signal, everyone. Where is traffic signal? எங்க இருக்கு? Point out. Pictureல traffic signal எங்க இருக்கு? Point out. Yeah. What are the colors in the traffic signal? Yeah. Red, yellow, and green. Okay. You know what is the meaning of those three colors? Red color means you have to stop. You should not go. Okay. Yellow means you have to wait. And then green means you can go. Okay. So these are the three lights in the traffic signal. Yeah. Next. Who's this? Very good. He's a shopkeeper and he is selling fruits. He is not only the shopkeeper, even the vegetables also they will sell. Everyone. Okay, they are all shopkeepers. They own a shop and sell different things. They are all shopkeepers. Okay, and here you can see a weighing machine. Here can you see, children? This is the weighing machine. Okay, if you want 1 kg of apple or 1 kg of mangoes, randomly he can't take and give it to you in his hand. கையில் எடுத்து கொடுக்க முடியாது. So he will weigh it. முதல்ல அந்த weighing machineல he will weigh it and then he will see whether it is 1 kg or 2 kg and then he will give it to you. Okay, so this is the weighing machine. And next, here is the sweeper. Yes, here sweeper are the very important people nowadays. They are cleaning the roads and all, right? Very good. And this is the sweeper. She is using a broom. You can see the broom in her hand. See, this is the broom she is using. Okay, she is a sweeper. Next, who's this?
Fixer.
It's a cobbler. Who's a cobbler? If your shoes are torn, where will you go to repair the shoes? Everyone will not repair shoes, right? Even your parents also can't repair the shoes. So you have to find a cobbler to repair the shoes. Okay, he will only mend the shoes and give it to you. Okay, so these are the things he uses to mend the shoes. A stand. See here how many shoes and all are there. Shoes, slippers and all. Yes, so he is a cobbler. And next is who's this?
You're right.
Who's this? Postman. Very good. He's a postman. Okay, whenever you write letters to your relatives or friends, you will post it into a post box. Okay, and then from there he will collect all the letters and deliver it to the respective places. Okay, so what you will use to post the letters? What is this red in color? What is that? It's a post box. Okay, now all of you touch the post box. Post box. Touch the post box, all of you. Yes, that is the post box which is red in color. Okay, so one more time. Postman, cobbler, sweeper. She will sweep the floor. Shopkeeper, traffic police, policeman, plumber, painter and barber, carpenter, firefighter, doctor. Okay, so these are all the community helpers and today's worksheet is also based on that. I want you to take today's worksheet. It is worksheet number D18 CT. Come on, take your worksheet D18 CT. D18 CT. And write today's date. Today's date is 27/27-7-2121.
Page number, ma'am, again.
D18 CT.
CT.
Yeah, CT. Concept time worksheet CT.
It's white, mommy.
D18 CT. Match the following. Write today's date. Yes, Ilango's mom. Okay, here you have 3 community helpers. Just mute yourself, Mailango. There is something issues with your audio. So mute yourself. Thank you. First you have doctor. Next you have the policeman. And third you have the firefighter. Adya Sharma. Doctor, which vehicle he will use?
डॉक्टर क्या यूज करेगा बेटा?
Doctor, which vehicle?
Which vehicle?
Jeep, fire engine or ambulance? What he will use? What he will use?
White color.
Jeep. Yeah, this white color, that is a ambulance. Come on, match the ambulance. Yeah, next is the policeman. Sarah, policeman, what vehicle he will use? Sarah,
Sarah.
what vehicle policeman will use?
She's writing, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
What info police? She finished it off, ma'am, and writing the date and name.
Okay, answer it and then you will write. Come on.
Sarah, இங்க பாருங்க.
Help
police
ma'am.
வந்து
First
vehicle
you
use
help ma'am, then you can write.
Sarah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Policeman will use a jeep. No issues. Will use a jeep. Okay. And next is the firefighter. Kadambari. What firefighter will use? Fire engine. Okay. All of you have matched. Finished matching. Yeah, very good. Next sheet will be your D19 CT. D19 CT. D19 CT. This page.
என்னம்மா next page?
D19 CT. Next to the number 19 worksheet. Huh? Tuka, here you are going to match the tools which they are using. First, you can see the cobbler. Cobbler, look at the screen and do, children. Cobbler, because the worksheet is not uploaded, so I am showing you the worksheet itself. Cobbler, he will use the stand here. Shoe stand here. Mending stand. Circle it. And second one, barber. Barber, you all know he uses a scissor and a comb. See, where is scissor and comb? See, here you have scissor and comb. Match this for barber. And third, you have the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper uses the weighing machine. Where is the weighing machine? It is here. Here, weighing machine. And then fourth is the sweeper. Sweeper is using the broom, right? You can circle the broom. Done? Okay. Very good, Nitish. Next is D20 CT. D20 CT. D20 CT. The same here, you are going to circle the respective materials used by all these community helpers. Shall we do it? Doctor, what he will use? Who knows the answer? Doctor will use the stethoscope. Where is the stethoscope? Yeah, very good. Match. Stethoscope here. And then postman, what you will match? Kevin, what will you match for postman? Postman என்ன match பண்ணுவீங்க? Post box. Yukta, policeman, what you will match?
Police jeep.
Very good, police jeep. Shravanya, firefighter, what will you match? Shravanya, Shravanya, what you will match for firefighter?
Fine.
One sec, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am.
Firefighter, what you will match?
Water, ma'am.
Water. Ah?
Yes.
Where is water here?
Fire engine.
Fire engine.
Fire engine. Okay. Fire engine. Okay. Next is sweeper. You have a sweeper. So, Ilango, what you will match for sweeper? Ilango. Huh?
என்ன பண்ணும் ma'am?
Truck. Yeah, corporation truck. Very good. Okay. Next is cobbler. Kadambari, what you will match for cobbler?
It's a shoe shine.
Yeah, shoe stand. Very good. Good. Finish?
Done, ma'am.
Yeah, done. Today we are going to write a new number, that is 1717, and the page number is D16 empty. D16 empty. Everyone has finished the previous worksheet. Shall we start with number 17? Yes, sir. Only when you say yes, I'll start, children, or else I'll wait for you.
Yeah. Already இங்க 10 இருக்கு. Then count this. Try 11. அது
First-
பண்ணக்கூடாது அப்படி பண்ணக்கூடாது அது குரூப்பா
Children, first here you have to circle the
அது
group of
பண்ணக்கூடாது
10.
மேம் கேட்பாங்க
Don't forget. Group of 10. So
12
after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17.
15
1, 7, 17.
இங்க 10 இருக்குடா 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so this is 11 12 13 14 15 16 6 இல்ல அம்மோ
1, 7, 17. Mokshita got the worksheet 17? Yeah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Adya finished, ma? Previous worksheet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Doing 17.
Nakshatra? Yeah, Nakshatra? Finish, huh? What you are doing now? What? No. Number 17 you are doing, ah?
எஸ் சொல்லிடுங்க.
Yes.
எஸ் மேம்.
Okay.
சொல்லிட்டே இருங்க.
Circle group of 10 children. That is very important. Group of 10. You need not count 1, 2, 3 like that. Group of 10. 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. 1, 7, 17. Nitish, what number you are writing, Nitish? 1, 7, 17.
17.
சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதுங்க நிதிஷ். Come on, spell and write.
1.
Kevin, what number you are writing?
சொல்லு 1
Huh?
7 இங்க பாரு மேம் பாரு
What
17
number you are writing, ma? 17. Very good. Srinija, what are you writing? Finished, ma?
Yes. 17, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Srinija. Right. Done. Those who are done, take your maths notebook and be ready. Write today's date and be ready. Yeah, very good. Those who have finished. Yeah, good, ma Mokshita. Good, Mokshita. Good, Nitish. Good, ma Kadambari. Those who have finished, take your math notebook and parents, please write and give them till 16, number 1616 in the math notebook. That is 3 numbers in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So 3 numbers in a row like that you have to write and give it to them. I'll tell them what number to circle, they have to circle. So space it equally. See, it should be like this. 1, 2, 3. Next, 4, 5, 6. Like this, you have to write and give them 3 numbers in a row. Children, be ready with your crayons or color pencils. I want you to write till 16.
ma'am
Yes?
what do you want to do, ma'am?
Maths notebook, take your maths notebook, take a fresh page and write
Okay,
like
ma'am.
this. 3 numbers in a line. Till 16 you have to write. 1 to
Okay,
16.
ma'am.
Yeah. Parents can write and give them. Those who have finished can do that. Others keep on writing, finish it and then let me know. Yeah, okay, ma Kadambari. Be ready with your color pencil or crayon, whatever it is. Let them write, parents, you can prepare this activity. Let them write in the worksheet. You can prepare this in their notebook side by side. Yes, for Adarsh also. Adarsh amma numbers எழுதி கொடுங்க. We'll see how much numbers is able to identify.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, சொல்லும்போது
Pranavi and Pravina, do it in your maths notebook. I don't have notebook, so I am using the slate. You use your maths notebook. Slateல பண்ண கூடாது. Maths noteல பண்ணுங்க. Maths note எடுத்து இத மாதிரி எழுதி பண்ணனும். Is there anyone still doing worksheet? Everyone finished? Riyasri finished? Yeah. Kevin finished worksheet? Kevin.
Yes, ma'am.
Kevin finished worksheet.
Yes, ma'am.
Adya? Yeah, thank you. Adya? Adya finished worksheet, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Adya. Good girl. Nakshatra finished worksheet? Nova?
Finished தாமா?
Okay. Now all of you take the activity. Ready? Yeah. Shall we start? Everyone is ready? Thumbs up if you are ready.
Ready, ma'am.
Thumbs up if you are ready. Adya's mom, you can write and give the numbers to her. Letter, identify and circle.
Done already.
Done already. Okay, good. Okay, now first number you're going to circle is number 5. Circle number 5. Parents, please don't teach them. Let them identify and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5. Circle number 5.
ஒழுங்கு பண்றேன். yellow pencil.
Listen to the ma'am.
Take any one color and do.
Only one color.
5 finished. Okay, next is number 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Finish. Next number is 8. 8. If you have not finished, please tell me. I'll wait for you. Okay, children? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next number is 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 2-digit number. Don't circle 4. Should not circle 4. 1, 4, 14. 2-digit number. 1, 4, 14. Nobody should confuse yourself and circle 4 alone. 1, 4, 14. 2-digit number. 4 is a single number. So don't circle 4 alone. 4 circle பண்ணக்கூடாது. 1, 4, 14 தான் circle பண்ணணும். Finish? The next number is 3. 3. Number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. Don't play with your color pencils or crayons, children. Then you will miss the track on what number I am saying. Take any one color is enough. With that itself you circle. Next number is 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 2-digit number. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 10. After 10, you have to find out. 10, 11, 12, 13.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good. 1, 3, 13. Otherwise, you can count and see, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like that, you can count and also circle. 1, 3, 13. Next number is 6. 6. Only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shravanya, sit and do the activity. Sit down. 6. And the next number is 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 2-digit number. Only 1 you should not circle. 1 is a single digit. 2-digit number. 1, 1, 11. Finished, Asrinija?
Ma'am,
Yeah, good. 1, 1, 11 finish, all of you? Okay, next number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Sarah, why playing with the camera? 7.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nakshatra. Okay. Next number is 1 to 12. 1 to 12. Two-digit number. 1 to 12. Who's that? Finish. 1 to 12. Very good, Nakshatra. Fast you're circling. Ah, good. Nakshatra's dad, check whether she is circling correctly.
Yeah, she is circling correctly.
Correctly, ah. Very
correct.
good. Fine. Good girl, Nakshatra. Next is 9. Number 9. 9. Very good, Nakshatra.
Ma'am, is Nimalan's video visible, ma'am?
Nimalan. 1 minute. Yeah, visible only. But I can't see the numbers clearly. 9. Finish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next number is 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Makadambari. Next is circle number 1. 1. 1. Very easy, no? 1. Circle number 1. Next is number 4. 4. Children, we have left out one number. What is that? What number we didn't circle?
2.
Very good. Number 2. Circle number 2. Finally, circle number 2.
16 finished, ma'am.
I told you to write till 16, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, last you circle number 16, children. I thought 15.
Okay, ma'am.
1, 6, 16.
11 also done.
11 we have circled already. I'm also circling it together only. 16 children. 1, 6, 16. All of you show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, all of you. Very good. Shravanya, good. Very good, Srinija, very good. Moshita, good. Sara, good. Yeah, I saw Mama Mokshita. I saw your book. Good. Next is Yukta. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll pin you and see. Wait 1 minute. Yukta, good. Kadambari. Kadambari, show me your notebook. Yeah, good, Kadambari. Well done. Good. Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Very nice. Good. Next is Shravanya, I see. Kevin. Kevin is able to identify the numbers, huh?
One he made mistake, ma'am.
What
15
mistake?
only did, ma'am.
What number is that?
15.
15. 1, 5, 15. Kevin, here you have to circle, Kevin. Don't strike out. Okay, when I'm telling you to circle, you have to circle. Circle down panano. Strike out pannakoodadu. Okay? Okay, va, Kevin.
Okay, ma'am. So, link ma'am.
Okay. Okay, next everyone finished. Very good. Nimalan also good. Very cleanly done. Good. Ilango. Yeah, very good. Ilango. Show me your notebook, Ilango.
Can you see it, ma'am?
Ah, yeah, big circle. Why you didn't circle 8 and all?
Oh, he
Circled
circled it. Yeah. In
Circled,
pencil.
okay. Okay, thank you, children. Parents, did they find any difficulty in identifying the numbers?
Double
Yes, all
digit
of
she has the problem.
double digit. What all numbers are that? From 11 till 16 itself.
14, 13.
16. You have the calendar, right? Adya's mom?
हाँ calendar is there. हाँ
Yeah,
हाँ हाँ.
regularly make her to read with the pointer finger. Point out the number and daily she have to rote count 1, 4, 14, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. Like that, when they read only, they will get into practice. Okay? Other than that, any issues? Till 1 to 10, she is identifying correctly, yeah? Yeah, good. Everyone has done very well. Yes, syllabus, mom?
No. Ma'am, Ilango, it's 12. He didn't identify 12, ma'am. Number
1, 2, 12. 2-digit number and single. Children, all of you, I'll tell you what is 2-digit number and what is single-digit number. Okay, see here. Single-digit number na ஒரே ஒரு number தான் இருக்கும். See, if I'm writing 4, this is a single-digit number. Only one number is there. Single. Okay, 2-digit number na 2 number will be there. 1, 4, 14 means 2 digits here. 1, 2. You have 2 digits here, right? 2 numbers irka inga. So this is 2-digit number and this is single-digit number. So whenever I am saying 14 after 10 till 1 to 9 only single-digit number. After that you will get 2 digits number. Okay, and then after 99, 100, that is 3-digit number. You will have 3 numbers in that. 1, 0, 0, 100. So that is 3-digit number. 1, 0, 0. See 1, 2, 3. That is 3-digit number. Okay, we need not go till that. 2-digit number na 2 numbers சேர்ந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Together you will write in a box. 14. Now I'll write 2 numbers. Let me know which is single digit and which is 2-digit number. I have written 5 here and I have written 17 here. Okay. Now tell me which is the 2-digit number. Which is 2-digit number? This one or this one? Is the 2-digit number? This one, ah?
Single digit. Single consonant.
This one. This one, ah? No, because this is only one number is here. Single number is here. This is single digit number. This is only 2-digit number. Okay? So this is the difference between 2-digit and single digit number. Don't confuse yourself. Okay, children? Thank you. Thank you, children. Thanks for your cooperation. You have done the activity very well. Big round of applause to everyone. And this cupcake belongs to everyone for doing the activity. Cupcake for everyone. Okay? Thank you, children. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye-bye.